Hello children, welcome to this new session. Today we are going to read 5th chapter of IT, that is Information Technology. So the chapter name is Pivot Stickfigure Tools. So children, our lesson Pivot Stickfigure Tools, what we are going to read in this lesson today, let us see. Today we are going to see some of the objectives, that is, so children, today's objective is working with stage, adding figures, adding background, duplicate the figure, flip and deleting the figure, raise and lower tools, and loading sprites. In the end, opacity and save the animation. So children, let us see all these objectives in detail. So children, today our first topic is stage. What is a stage? See here, this white background, this white panel that you can see here, this blank panel over this gray color background, this is stage. This is stage. Only the things which are in this portion, whatever the figure are there in this portion, only this will be visible in our final output. So children, let us see how to change the stage size. First step is go to edit option. Here click the edit option, then options. Click on options and here you can see animation dimensions. Here change the size. Right now width is 500. I am going to change it to 800 and then click OK. See, you can see here the stage size has been changed to 800, right? So now we are going to add some more figures. Here you can see one figure is available right now, that is Stickman. So now we are going to add some more figures to this animation. Here, add figure. You have to click on this button to add more figures. See, I have clicked this button once and you can see one more Stickman has now here. Add figure one more time. Now you can see on here two Stickmans are there. How do we know that? You have to move this one Stickman by this orange handle. See, now you can see now we have 3 figures. Now we are going to add a background right here. See, what are the steps to add background? First of all, you have to go to File menu, then Load Background. Click over here and this dialog box will come. Here you have to browse some image that you can set on the background. So I'm going to search on desktop. See here, desktop. I'm going to take this picture. Open. Would you like to set the animation dimension to the dimension of the image? Yes. See, you can see this image is correct fit on the stage of our animation. And you can see here 1 figure, 2 figure and 3rd figure, right? So I'm going to change the color of these figures so we can identify them easily, like this. Select the figure, go to here figure color option, and I'm going to change to this color and this one. First of all, you have to select this figure, whatever figure you are going to do, whatever figure you are going to perform some action. Then go here figure color option and choose any color that you want. So our background has been changed, and also we have changed the color of the figures. Now we are going to do duplicate the figure. Duplicate figure means exact copy of the current figure. Suppose I'm gonna do duplicate of this figure. So how we will recognize this, that this is the duplicate figure? See, I'm gonna make some changes in this figure and then I will make a duplicate copy of this so we can identify easily that it is the exact copy of this figure. To make a duplicate figure, we have to select the figure first of all and then click on the duplicate figure tools over here. Copy figure, then paste. See. So whatever action we are performing on this figure, suppose if we are performing to add figure, suppose we are performing to duplicate a figure, the next figure, the second figure that will come, it will come right over the previous one. See, just now I have moved this from here, right? I moved it using this orange color handle. So you can see here now we have created the exact copy twice, right? So we can create a duplicate copy of any figure that we have created over here in our animation. Now we are going to flip the image. Flip the image means rotate the image 180 degree. See, let me show you. So I'm gonna just delete this figure. Okay, now we have created these two figures and I'm gonna show you how to flip this figure. First of all, we have to select this figure. So right now we have selected this figure and you can see here all the handles are in red color. So this indicates that our figure has been selected. So now, after selection of the figure, click on flip tool and it is available right here. Flip or mirror the figure. See, you can see this image now is flipped 180 degree. You can see here both images are looking like a mirror is there in between them, right? So we can use this flip tool to rotate the image completely 180 degree. Now I'm going to show you how to delete a figure. So suppose I don't want this figure. So how I'm going to delete this? First step is select this figure. Anywhere on this figure you have to click your mouse. Any segment or on orange handle, anywhere you have to click on this figure and then it will be selected. After that, just press the delete key from your keyboard. Once you press the delete key from your keyboard, the figure will be gone. Like this. See, you can see I have pressed the delete key on my keyboard and the figure has gone. Now we are going to do raise the figure. See now, add figure, one more figure now. Suppose I have taken and I'm going to change the color to this one. Okay, this. So it would be better if we change the color of the figure before performing this raise and lower functions. So this figure has now selected. What we have to do, we have to click on this raise tool. Raise. So right now this figure is on the top. So nothing happens. Suppose I have selected this one. Okay, I have selected now the figure which is behind this orange one, that yellow one figure there. This one I have selected right now, and I'm gonna choose this raise tool. See now, my yellow color figure is on the top now, right? So in same like this, we can also perform this lower. Let us see. Now we're going to perform this lower function. So right now our yellow figure is on the top. So I'm gonna bring this orange figure on the top. And I'm gonna move this yellow figure behind all the figures, behind this orange figure. So we have to select this yellow figure and then click on lower. So you can see here now this orange figure is on the top and this yellow figure moves behind this one. Now our topic is Sprite. So Sprite is an image which we can move around, scale and also rotate in the same way as we are doing with the figure. So sprites are also the image which we can move around and scale and also rotate. So let us see by loading a sprite image. First step is we have to go to File menu and here load sprite image. Click on this and then it will open a dialog box. From here we have to locate image. An image which is in .png or GIF file. So we have to find the images that are in PNG or GIF. It will work as a sprite image. And then we have to choose the image that we want to use as a sprite and click on open button. So I'm gonna just take this one, okay, this one, and then open. You can see over here this image. And here you can see one orange handle and here a red handle. So we can move using orange handle. We can move this sprite handle. We can move this sprite image using this orange color handle, and with this red color handle we can rotate it like how we do with this all figures. In the same way we can also upload any sprite figure. So children, now we are going to see our next topic, that is opacity. Opacity is the lacking of transparency in the object. Transparency means the object color will be gone very light. It will be gone very dim in color. So let us see what we have to do. We have to select the figure, and suppose right now we have selected this sprite figure, and then we have to move this opacity slider. This one you can see right here, 100. Right now it is on 100. I'm gonna just make it minimum. You can see the color is changing, right? The color is going very light. Right now the opacity is 11, and we can see here it is very dim. Now I'm gonna make it higher. Now you can see 83, 87, 19, 87, and now 100. Now we can see in full color, full bright colored sprite. So we can change the opacity from this slider. This is opacity slider. So children, now we have to save our animation. How to save our animation? We have to go to File menu, and here Save Animation. We have to choose this Save Animation. Then you must create at least one frame before saving an animation. Okay, then I'm gonna add this one frame, and then Save Animation. Then this dialog box will appear, Save As dialog box. Then here we have to give some name to the file. Suppose I'm gonna just give the name as class second, and we have to choose the save button. And one more thing, all the animation files that we are creating in this pivot animator are saved as .piv extension. .piv extension. So the name of the file will be class2.piv. After saving this file, then I'm going to choose the save. So you can see here, file, open animation. Here our file is there, class2, right? And we can open it again. So children, I hope you like this lesson. Now we will meet in the next chapter. Till then, take care. Bye bye.